Replace the Printhead cleaning roll station transmission box on the HP Latex R printer series when it is not working correctly. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. From the IPS, touch Replace a Printhead cleaning roll station transmission box, and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Go to the input side of the printer, use a screwdriver to remove the rear service cover. On the motor to replace, disconnect the encoder and control cables. Use a screwdriver to loosen the 3 T25 screws securing the motor. Remove the motor transmission box from the printer. Do not touch the gear connecting the motor and the printer. Install the new motor in the printer and then tighten the 3 T25 screws to secure it. Connect the encoder and control cables to the motor. Reinstall the rear service cover.